Hello friends, JBM everyone. First of all, I am heartily wishing to my Telugu friends and my Telugu people happy Telugu Day to Telugu Language Day to everyone. Friends, first of all, why we are celebrating the Telugu Language Day today? This is my first question. Friends, what is the concept of the Telugu Day? Especially the heritage and legacy and transfer to this generation to the next generation. That's for only useful and another one for the communication only, which is the our Telugu language, especially that useful to only conversation, not for the any getting the jobs, getting the any uh,
empowerment,
empowerment.
opportunities,
uh,
access, employability, bright future,
okay.
anywhere the space by the Telugu language only.
Yes.
Not only Telugu, but also Indian Constitution was recognized the 22 languages in India. There is a many regional language, ethnical language, indigenous language, tribal languages, official languages. There are
Yes.
in those 122 languages is there now. What they were?
In the constitutionally recognizes 22 official languages. Those are, I will say friends, the Assami and Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmir, Maithili and Malayalam and Manipur, Marathi, Nepal, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit and Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu and another one is English. These are languages, all are languages, the official languages.
Official languages and the state wisely in the assembly, the who was the representatives such like MLAs, MPs and Sarpanch, Gram Panchayati, ward members, MLC, even MPTC, ZPTC, those are following their state languages.
Yes.
Because of for the giving the message, giving the correct concept, what is the opinion of the regional fellows.
Yeah.
Those are followed the such like
Language, those languages.
Might if there is a one Telugu fellow, if that fellow was elected as a parliamentarian, like a Rajya Sabha Sabhyudu, Rajya Sabha representative, either parliamentarian
member,
which language he have to follow? He have to follow the his mother tongue, either Hindi, national language, or English.
English means that
if he speak in his mother tongue, I think may another state fellows can understanding that language.
They couldn't understand.
They can't understanding because of their language is a different to
our
which
language.
Is the Telangana fellow speaking, which is the mother tongue of Telugu, it is different. In the Bengali fellows language is different. If he wanted to give the complete concept meaning to the other state, what language is that fellow who was the representative of Telugu fellow wanted to how to maintain? Hindi or English?
Hindi or English, this compulsory.
Okay. Hindi also, some state fellows don't know na. Common peoples who was the regional fellows, remote area country fellows, they don't know Hindi. For example, in my village fellows are completely now only Telugu.
Yes.
For example, my father or your father now only Lambada language, which is your tribal language.
Yes. Tribal.
If our parliamentarian, who was the common parliamentarian, if that fellow speak in given the any message in the parliament in the Telugu Telugu, they our peoples can understand. But if that fellow will be speaking in Hindi, our fellows can understanding that
They
they
can.
can't understand because of our ignorance.
Yes.
Our fellows are illiterates. Illiterate means in the language illiteration, language drawback.
Only which community?
Which community is not a matter. All communities cannot understanding the Hindi
Hindi. Telugu.
because of our since the independent our representatives who was elected as a Khammam parliamentarian, either Nalgonda parliamentarian or the any Warangal parliamentarian, Karimnagar, where there is a many which was the our representatives parliamentarians who was completely those are put aside us. They are neglected.
Yes.
They are not giving the education to us
Yes.
because of if they given the any Hindi language or English language by the education, our fellows would be become like that. They are conspired, madam.
Yes. This
Our
is the
higher
main
educators, you know, our
conspiracy.
higher educators, higher caste fellows, our rulers, our representatives, well settled fellows, they only educated their children
Yes.
in which is the global language English.
They completely bring back and they send
Set
to
back.
us the
Throw put aside our
backward
us.
and put us the ignorance, throw us to back.
Back.
Completely. They cannot give the good education to the who are the
This
lower
is a
section.
conspiracy, utterly conspire. This is a plot, this is a trap.
Yes.
That is why, you know, they are, you know, our ignorance, our which is the right now status, what we unable to get the employee, which we unable to empower ourselves, what is the living food, what is the future, the completely they are blocked us.
Yes.
They are conspire us because of they are always bring put before us as the Telugu language and caste and religion. Otherwise the reservations, something else, which when we are getting the education, when we wanted to come forward, they will become a weak. That's why
Yes.
they are always thinking about how to weaken us, how to put aside us,
Yes.
how to trap us, how to conspire us, how to defeat us, their concept. That's why right now this Telugu language day also one of the plot, one of the conspire to our peoples.
Yes.
If our peoples get the any knowledge on the Telugu or any degree, any post graduation, either in PhD, what is the use of that?
No use. There is no use.
Any access, any empowerment, any chance to get the future?
Right now, all domain and all sector that convert and that became in English.
You know, right now they are calling for us. We have to protect, we have to secure, we have to ensure the Telugu language, which is our mother language. Like that they are saying, who are saying, Kavita saying,
And
KCR saying, Jagan saying,
Sharmila
and Sharmila saying, Chandrababu saying, Pawan Kalyan saying, Modi saying, everyone saying for the protection of our
Protection
mother
of-
language or our regional language. Like that they are saying,
They are
what they are, that is a heritage, that is a legacy,
Legacy.
that is a history, that is our property, wealth, health, our transformation, our health, our culture, our art, our custom, our literature, our convention. Like that different ways they are trying to put our peoples, our daughters to aside from that track of the future,
That is
track of
why-
the getting the employment.
That is why we have to the protect and secure and ensure the our mother tongue and our regional language. Like that they are saying only who are the
Well settled- well settled.
people, who are the rulers, who are the higher caste people, who are the developed persons, they only saying, they only provocating to us. They hadn't the follow. Who are the lower section people? They only who are the
They
ST,
suddenly they are
SC,
taking
BC.
our leaders, our higher caste, our landlords, our who was the leaders. They are calling for protecting the literature, protecting the heritage, protecting the legacy.
Yes.
Such type of calls are our fellows satisfied.
Yes.
Due to such type of things, our fellows are completely in the backward right now.
Yeah.
It is a main conspiracy. This is a plot and it is a trap to us. That's why in the future course, our fellows who are the SC, ST, BC fellows who want to trap themselves,
Yeah.
who want to listen the who was calling for the protection of languages of regional languages. Our future in the English only. You know, right now, womb to tomb. Womb to tomb means when they born from that mother womb, when we are going to the tomb, everywhere in the any phase, the stage 2, in infancy stage, if any woman, okay, one couple they get the marriage and one women get the conceive, what she is doing,
have
she
to
will
go to
resort to the hospital. Hospital, it is one of the English word, we are not using in the Telugu word, in Hindi word or Malayalam word or Kannadam word, in any word we weren't use.
In the hospital, who is treat us? We
Doctor,
are calling
doctor, nurse,
nurse.
different type of compounders,
Yes.
and first aid centers, in the medicals and labs, everything, stretcher and needle, injection and cannula, everything is modified and changed into the English. But our peoples who was elected representatives, who was the higher caste fellows, who was the developed person, settled persons, they are almost all are transferred and diverting our mind toward the our mother language. But our children, their children, so their daughters, their offsprings, they are joined into the foreign countries, they are sent them and they are giving the education, they are graduate them in English only, from the nursery.
From to nursery, they are getting the knowledge and language
certificates,
in English.
graduations, and they settled into the foreign only. If our fellows only for the protection of Telugu language, mother tongue, our property, our custom, our treasury, our legacy, our heritage.
Yeah.
But why they are going to the English language? I think this is a plot.
Yeah.
This is a conspiracy. That's why no need of celebrating the Telugu language or the mother language. You mean what I saying means, there is no any program, any programs or any plans, any chalkouts, any directions to transfer the language. Language can change by the generation to next generation automatically. But language is a mean to communicate only, which is a regional, where there is a one clan is there, they only follow their language. The tribals are there, they who giving the I think who give the education to the tribals was the Lambada. No one not give the script, even some languages they have not script, but they can able to speak and transfer one generation to one generation. Okay, I am saying to only, if the any tribal fellow have the good efficiency and fluency, effective comprehensiveness, grammatically everything, he have the one of the great grip on the language. But what is the use of that language? No need of use in the future course. Right now in the education field, in the paper and printing media, paper and printing media means which is the paper and printing, where there is a digital media. Digital media means which is the right now is going down. Privileged means entire that was surged and enveloped completely, that English language occupy the entire the fields.
Yes.
Such type of social media, FB, Facebook is there now, WhatsApp, such type of email, Gmail, Yahoo. And right now in the banking sector, in the banking sector, which language the banks are using? If you wanted to transfer the money, what we are doing, we give the some figure of the money in the digitals, in the numbers. Yeah. Then after what we are doing, everything the manual and digital and analogically they are displaying in English. Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, everything is a English language they are following. But why are our leaders or our higher caste who are the right now well settled, they are call for the protecting the Telugu language. Telugu language days are essential, we have to protect, we are insure, we have to give the transferment means. So they are always thinking about put our in the ignorance. This is the main.
Here one thing, who are the Bahujans should be think yourself, what is the conspiracy and what is the default to us. First of all,
our generations, you mean our last generation, just which is the previous generations, my father generation, they don't know. what is the bus plate name also, bus board name also they don't know. Even they don't know about the operation of the right now, which is the 4G mobiles or 5G mobiles. They don't know. Keypad mobiles also they unable to operate, they unable to get who calls us, how to replay, how to give the answer, such type of things they don't know because of their ignorance. They know the Telugu language, they can speak fluently, effectively, they meaningfully, but they don't know. But our, what is the mean of that one, the trade complete world trade also will become and completely occupied by the English.
business.
Business sector means credits and debits, everything
Yeah.
that was became a English.
Transport
System, geo transport, radio transport, aviation, port, sailing, voyage, everything is there. Transport, I want, okay, you say to me, if we are going to the, we are wanted to go to Hyderabad,
Yes.
shall we going to the by car, when I am occupy the seat of the car, in the manual of that gear system, first
Yeah.
gear, second gear,
Second
reverse
gear,
gear, backward, frontward, and horn, and which is the light, dipper, lower, and everything is
All
manual.
operatings.
All operating manual is in English.
English only.
But our fellows are saying we have to celebrate the Telugu. Telugu means Telugu, it is a Telugu. I respect, I will be give the proud. I can proud of you speaking Telugu. But the language is only transferring,
Transfer.
communicating for.
Communicating for
But
things.
our leaders never say it to us, never educate to us.
Yeah.
Because of we are always be in a mother language, which is not give the any scope, any fetching, any empowerment, any job opportunities, which is the future course. They weren't, because of they are plotted us, they are conspired us, they are cheated us, they are blamed us completely, they are put aside, thrown into the ignorance and
And
backward. This is, you know, many things section is there. Okay, you read it.
Administration.
Which is the right now in the world wisely trended and dairy sector,
Administration and politicians, politics and
Defense.
and
machineries,
manufacturing, communication,
speak loudly,
and this one
infrastructure,
infrastructures, technology,
information and technology,
yeah,
designing,
and engineering, and this one
fabrication,
fabrication,
Paracetamol.
pharmaceutical, and medicine, and cultivation,
forensic science,
Forensic
space
science.
researches,
astronomy,
weather science,
weathers,
constructions, architecture,
yes,
hospitality,
and
hotel management, weathers,
this one
mm,
grooming and
press,
press,
journalism, tourism, recreation, jewelry, mining,
and
genetics,
genetics,
fertility centers, reproduction centers, diagnostic centers, sciences,
and this
cesareans,
cesareans,
oceanography, fisheries, horticulture, neuroscience, nutrition, nursing,
and this one
robotic science, and then hydrology, logistics, industries, climatology, cinematography, flex printings, photography, radiograph, televisions, automobiles, mobile technology, hotel management, dyeing, textile, leather, fencing, you say those, hunting, ecology, sociology, history, electronics, hydrodynamics, ecology, plumbing, furniture, cosmetics, vulcanizing, hotel management, information hubs, pedology, microbiology, macrobiology, hotel management, vulcanizing. Here is a many researchers, many branches they have right now.
History,
In those
plumbing,
history, economy, in those where we can found our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is a Telugu. Okay, we can protect them.
These all sectors,
They are already globalized. Officially, they are already globalized by the English language.
English language.
You know, English is the key to the knowledge of the world. womb to tomb, we have to cradle to tomb also.
Yes.
We have to follow. Actually, here is a what I we have to say. Our language only for whose phenomenally identification, recognition, acknowledge for those are useful, but not give the any bright future. In the future course, job opportunity, settlement, well recognition. You know, the in the since the independent, many fellows are got the Nobel prizes. The first Nobel Prize winner is the Ravindra Tagore in the 1919 in the Geetanjali. In which language he got that? He written that Geetanjali in the Bengali, but he when he translated to the English, then after that who was the Nobel Prize selectors? They are selected him as a Nobel winner, Nobel orator. Then after Chandrasekhar Rao, he discovered the minutes of the stars. How he got? Sir C.V. Raman is there now. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, Harbindo Korana, Meghanath Saha, and the latest Mother Teresa also. When the Mother Teresa came from here, from Yugoslavia to here is a very important problem is there. Artificial intelligence right now introduced in the world, that is the playing the key role. But we have in the our peoples, our communities such like SC, ST, BCs, they are trying, they are striving for the getting the knowledge in the our regional languages. Language is only mean, and this is the one of the main track for the communicating the peoples only, not for getting the job opportunity, access, and bright future. But our who was the representatives since the independent, they were not given the any guidance and counseling, but they are sent them people, so they are giving the their community for. If the Brahmins is there, they have the Sanskrit in the slokas, something chanting in the Sanskrit, they get bright future because of they are the minority peoples in the village. Only one or twice, one or couple of people, couple of families only there. Even the bulk of peoples, tongue of peoples, many members is there. The high populated villages here right now the population is broken and almost all are surged. You know, in the village, if you are finding anywhere, one village 15 or 2000 peoples is there. The two pattern peoples are getting the birth, giving the birth, begotten. They give the any sari functions, the puberty functions, maturity functions, death, marriages, either some which is the retirement functions. Such all things they only conducting.
Yes.
In the Sanskrit, they get the in good wage when well amount, they can satisfactorily live. But we know Telugu, but what is the use of Telugu?
Who are the Brahmins? They selected, they framed themselves one language, then that one is a Sanskrit. They are using and they following that one on the
Their way, their field.
Their field. And they get,
You know, without job,
money.
without education also, you know, they you know, Brahmins had not, I think may anywhere, someone's only graduates only. They went to the any Tirupati somewhere where there is the Agrahara, which is the separate section of universities, separate which is the residential. So they resort there and they educated them. They get return back them. They get the good opportunity, job opportunity. They get the good wage, well settled, their bright future. They are already settled themselves only.
But
Okay, no problem. There is Sanskrit is a well. Some fellows are getting the more, but you know some fellows, such type of Muslims, they have Islamic knowledge and Urdu knowledge. They go to the Saudi something else very where they can chant, they can pray, they can offer, they can practice that. They can get the opportunities. But what is the use of Telugu fellows or who was the Indian fellows, which is they are resort to the any regional language? What is the use of that? Jay, am asking that only. Why we have to celebrate the Telugu or regional language or mother language celebrations? These mother language celebrations is utterly one of the conspiracy and favor to the higher caste fellows, settled fellows, who was the landlords, who was the political leaders. This is a conspiracy. That's why who was the civic persons, who are the country peoples, who are the village peoples, who are the SC, ST, BCs, minority, won't practice and won't celebrate the which is the language celebrations. These are not give the any recognition, identity, and phenomena and acknowledgement to us. This is the main. That's why everywhere which language which is the good for us. When we have not a sufficient work and any professional work which is the we are practicing, we are migrate to the some countries or somewhere. If we are going to the if we wanted to go to America, we have to learn English, which is the language, portable language to communicative language we have to read. Right now, if you wanted to go to any general market, what we can found, where there is the any if you grocery, complete grocery, they are printed in English.
Any shopping malls or hospital or any
we are going the textile, madam. Yes. Madhu textile, Gandoor Brothers textile is there now. Okay, any printing media, any flexi shop, they are only in the flexi shop, in the display, what is the monitor, entire monitor was displaying and analogizing the English only, but not Telugu. But Telugu, it is a language we can proud, we have to protect. But they are wantedly, purportedly, deliberately, they are imposing and pressing, and they are rubbing that language on us. This is a main concept. That's why our peoples won't participate, won't to protect, won't to give the access, won't to enjoy the language. We have to enjoy the language of English only, which is the global language. Then after we will get the bright future. When a degree holder or PG holder, if we went to the any schools to get the any job, are they asking, will they asking the any question in Telugu? They are simple asking only English only. If you have a good communication and efficiency, proficiency, and comprehensiveness and accomplishment and scholasticity in the language, they will give the access to us. Then many members are already educated, but they don't know the communication in English, which is the global language, which is a trend mark. They lost.
If you go here to any for the any job interview, we don't know the global language. What is the situation after the?
We will face failure. They set back. We have to set back our all the